and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together ooky, the Addams Family. Their house is a museum when people come to see them. They really are a scream, the Addams Family.
Neat. Sweet. Petite.
So get a witch's shawl on, a broomstick you can crawl on. We're gonna pay a call on the Addams Family.
Hi, my name is Fina Januso.
And my name is Vanessa Lugo.
And welcome to the Season 15 premiere of The Pulse. You know, Vanessa, I just realized that Halloween is just around the corner.
I'm so excited. My favorite part is picking out a costume, and I think the football team would agree.
Really? Who did they dress up as?
Let's see in our very first segment of Season 15.
I think we're doing very well. We're playing to the best of our ability right now. We're executing, so I'm proud with the effort that these guys are putting in. We're coming together as a team.
Michael McAniff, I'm a senior at Chatham High School.
Dawn Lofton, senior.
John Barrett, senior.
Ryan Hogan, I'm a junior.
I'm Hunter Bigham, I'm a senior.
My scariest moment with Mr. Nagy is when he gave me a test in U.S. history.
He yelled at me at film.
My scariest, spookiest moment was when I was sitting in World and he walked by the classroom door like this.
Probably when I fumbled against Roxbury.
My scariest / spookiest moment is at football when I did not do something right. He got mad at me.
11, 11, 11!
All right, we got play four. Hold on to the football, high and tight. Chin it.
Used to call this play.
I mean, look at this outfit and this name tag. I mean, it's by far the most authentic.
Because my outfit matches his a lot and we have similar body types.
Because of the shoes.
I think I should win because my outfit's most similar. Got the Big Ten lanyard, and yeah.
Because my outfit is very unique and I put a lot of work into it. Okay. You are gonna go to the end.
Are you kidding me? I'm wearing a name tag.
You're wearing sweatpants.
He's wearing shorts.
Next up would be Hunter, because the answer right there, he's wearing shorts. Close third, close to second. You have the nice khakis. Just don't match the shirt.
Brother, man.
Not bad, but you have nicer shoes than me, so you get second. Oh. First place, Big Ten lanyard. Although I do not like Penn State. Proper ID tag, khakis, pencil, full outfit. Winner.
Nice job.
And how do you know Mr. Nagy?
I met him at Pilates class.
What's your serious spookiest Mr. Nagy moment?
In history and film the other day, I farted and he yelled at me. No.
Wait, can you restate that?
I don't have a scary moment at all.
Just think of something other than that.
Okay. How do you know Mr. Nagy?
I know him because he's my yoga instructor.
What?
Like the heart.
No.
That's fun, sure. I don't know.
Wow, those resemblances were pretty spooky.
I agree. If it were up to me, they would have all won. I feel like I was seeing quintuplets.
Exactly. Unfortunately, there can only be one winner, and that's true for a lot of things.
Homecoming, for instance, for a court of 10, only 2 can win the crown. I wonder how that must feel.
Fortunately, our next segment covers all those messy details. Let's check it out. Hi, I'm Lily Arps, and I'm Cougar 2.
Hi, I'm Luke Allison and I'm Cougar 1.
inspiration for winning has to be John Pork. He wears his crown on his head really high, and I was inspired by him. I'm also informally known as John Pork, so it felt appropriate.
My inspiration for winning was one of my ops from another school who won J-Prom King, but I won Homecoming King, which was voted by the whole school, not just the grade. I mean, I didn't really feel bad for the losers at all, because like if they wanted to win, maybe they should have just been more likable and have gotten more votes from other people. I don't think it's that hard.
Yeah, I agree. I didn't really feel too bad for them, also considering I don't know anybody else in this school, because I don't really talk to anybody else, but I also especially don't know Maddie Huth. I heard that she was in the running, but I don't feel so bad for her. Yeah.
I'm Justin Zigon.
I'm Vincent Caracciolo.
Hi, I'm Nina Belford. I'm a senior.
Can you speak more about Lesk's role?
Yes. So the reason Lesk isn't here is because he actually transferred schools after the loss because he just couldn't take it. For me personally, after losing, it's not a big deal for me, you know. I'm not big into all this homecoming stuff.
I was the opposite. I cried for just 3 straight weeks. Haven't been myself, and it's just really hard on me.
I already knew that like I was the king of the school, but now I can really enact my king tendencies by treating everyone else like peasants, because that's what a king does.
Yeah, I don't know about you, but I had a lot of people bowing down to me in the hallway. I feel like it just made me really confident when I walked into school in the morning, and I was like ushered by a bunch of people, and there actually was a carpet too. So.
Who rigged the election is actually a little complicated, but it's Vin. He developed a whole school-wide gambling ring, and he was paying people to vote for Luke and Lily so that he could win his parlay of Luke and Lily both winning, and I think he profited like 10 grand from it.
No further comments on that gambling thing. I don't know what that word means.
I've been hearing things about an underground gambling ring, hypothetically, going on, but I'm not at liberty to say.
Yeah, I don't really feel like I've been treated differently. I'd say that the queen title was something that I had before I even got the crown, so I just appreciate the supporters who've continued to support me.
Definitely use my power to get a lot of things that I want. I would use it to get extensions on assignments. I would definitely hold it as leverage when I need to get something from someone else.
I really don't think they deserve to win. Low-key, I should have, because I'm like nonchalant. I did not want to be nominated for the court because it kind of wasted my time. During homecoming, I was going to go watch the sunset, listen to Somber, and maybe drink a matcha. But instead, I had to go to the dance, and it really cut into my time.
I wanted to be because free ticket when I got nominated, so saved some money there.
So greedy. For gambling, by the way.
How am I feeling after losing? Overjoyed, frankly. I'm really not about that life of winning, of being in the center of attention. Ugh.
I wasn't expecting to win. Sawyer told me ahead of time who was going to win, so.
Yeah, Vin knew who was winning because of the gambling.
Make sure you bow when you see me next.
And remember that you're all my peasants.
Oh my gosh.
What's up, YouTube? Homecoming's a scam. He's running after us. Vin gambles a lot. No. I love my mom.
That was crazy. Accusations were flying left and right. Scary stuff.
The only thing scarier than election fraud is Dracula himself, or maybe the unknown.
The unknown?
Yeah. Imagine a cardboard box and you have no idea what's inside.
Sure. Although Mr. E and Miss Spano might agree with you. Roll the segment.
What is up, guys? It's Kyle Wayman. We're here with Miss Spano and Mr. E. Today we're doing What's in the Box.
Okay, this is the object that they're going to be trying to feel out and guess. Okay, you guys can start to feel around. Just don't look in the box.
Is it a stuffed animal?
Yes, you can guess.
You have to like guess. Like it's so specific.
So like a skeleton or something? No. I think how many big vibes? So a witch? No. So a jack-o'-lantern?
A ghost? Okay. It's freaking. You guys were wrong. Oh.
I thought you could tell guys what the things were.
I thought it was a tag.
I thought it was a tag.
In AP Calc, there used to be a question about maximizing the area of an isosceles triangle. I took it off of the test because it was too hard, but maybe I'll put it back on for Alexa's class.
Okay, this is the second object for round 2.
You guys can go. Is it like a pumpkin?
Like a
what?
jack-o'-lantern.
No.
There it goes.
An eyeball!
Yes!
So when I was student teaching like 9 years ago, I was doing a mindful minute with my students, and everyone's like heads were down, their eyes were closed, the lights were off, and I was like timing them. I had a timer on the board, and a mouse ran across the room, and I screamed, and I just trying to hide it from the kids because I didn't want them to know, but I think they figured out that something was up. Yeah.
These are the next 2 objects. You guys can
Alright, go ahead. There's a few of the same things. So.
It's like a spring. Is this a ghost?
Yes.
Yeah.
Feels like a pumpkin.
Yes.
The dedication it takes to get an eyeball is impressive. Jack Skellington must be jealous.
Wow, that's a pretty spooky reference. You do great with trivia night.
I know, right? But I wonder how the rest of the school would do with those Halloween questions.
Lucky for us, Halloween trivia is our first question of the week.
I'm Audrey. I'm Moira. Welcome to Question of the Week, Halloween Trivia Edition.
Who am I here with? Christian Fernandez. What is Pennywise from It known for holding? Red balloons. Hey! He got it. Wait, what's my question? Max!
Who am I here with?
Luca.
Okay. In the movie The Nightmare Before Christmas, who is the Pumpkin King?
I don't know who the pumpkin is.
Come on, think main characters, bro. You got this.
I don't know the answer. I haven't seen that movie in like 10 years.
Come on, just think.
Is it Jack Skellington?
Yes! Okay, now you get candy. Who are we here with?
Lucas Sorvino.
Okay. What is the name in the killer of the Scream movies?
I'm not sure.
He wears a mask.
Oh. Shrek?
Not quite, I fear. Like a white mask, black costume.
Monsters Inc?
Not quite. Okay. One more guess.
It's a white mask. Okay. Oh, Ghostface.
Yes! You get candy.
Who am I here with?
Quan.
What's the date of Halloween?
October 31st.
Hey, he got it. Who am I here with?
Mr. Mariano.
What's the most watched Halloween movie?
Oh, that would be Charlie Brown's Pumpkin.
No.
No.
Hocus Pocus, that's the answer.
Who am I here with?
Mr. Ferguson.
In the movie Coraline, the people in the other world, what are their eyes instead of regular eyes?
Buttons.
Yeah.
I say right foot creep. Who are you?
Yeah.
What's the name of the daughter in Addams Family?
I don't know.
All right, no candy for you.
Who am I here with?
Matthew Monks.
Okay, question. Where is the Headless Horseman originated from?
Spain.
Try again.
Salem, Oregon.
Nope, try again. Only one state over.
Delaware.
Think the Hudson River.
Pennsylvania. New York. New York.
What town?
The city.
Okay, good guess.
Who am I here with?
Who are they?
What is your name?
Gigi?
What is Pennywise famous for holding in the movie It?
He's famous for holding a balloon.
Yeah, you got candy. Congrats.
Yay!
Who am I here with?
Nikki.
What's the name of the clown in It?
Wait. I don't know. Wait. No, I know this. Is it not just named It?
No.
Okay, wait. Can I have the first letter?
P.
I have no clue.
It's Pennywise. You know.
I feel like I really learned a lot. I'm a real horror movie fan now.
Same here. I'm so set for Halloween.
Well, that's all we got for part 1 of the season premiere.
See you on Halloween for part 2.